Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you the unbox and setup of a Philips 4K Ambilight. Okay, inside the box we can find a quick unboxing and mount tutorial. Also a full detailed instructions for mounting your TV. How to handle with care, 2 persons required, how to take it out of the box, and more. So another huge instruction in all languages. I don't think anybody will read that. Software update. How to do it, and the remote, the cable, and 2 batteries. So this is the remote control. This is the base for your TV. And attached we can find some screws and some tape. Okay, so the base in detail. Now the TV on the back. This is the input and output connections, sound connections, and power connection. Here the model of your my TV. Here where to put the screws for the base. Really simple. Both sides, and put the screws that come with the support. And those are the LEDs behind for the Ambilight. And the type that comes in the bag, it's for not damaging your furniture. Okay, so this is the TV. Let's set it up. So follow the options on the screen, select the language, connect to the network, wired or wireless. So if your router is close to your TV, I suggest to connect wired. It's not, if it is not closed, go for Wi-Fi. You can search channels, you cannot skip these options. So in my case it will not find any cable because I'm using a box from the cable provider. I have no channels signal on the wall plug. Okay. So it detected software update. I didn't have to change to select anything. The TV automatically detected, so it's doing the update. Now we restart like the first time. You have to go through the channels again. The wireless key code, probably it's saved. Okay, don't need to put it again. So as I told you, no channels were found because I don't have channels on the antenna, so I'm using a box, a cable box. Okay, so let's explore the menus of the TV. This is the Ambilight experience. Okay, it comes with a video for you to test and see how well it works. So it's really amazing. So that is why Philips 4K Ambilight is my first choice. Okay, because it's really good. So full details about the TV on the video description, connections, HDR, everything. Okay, so YouTube working perfectly. So this video is not 4K. Also, I'm not recording this video in 4K 1080p. Netflix, so I also don't have an account, so I cannot show you anything playing, but it's just for you to see that it comes already ready to log in. Also, you have Amazon service for movies. It has a 4K video for testing, and here you can see how well it performs the Ambilight system. So the Ambilight system can be controlled. It can follow the video, follow the sound, so it can be configured to work in different ways. It will be explained further in the video. In the apps gallery, I could not find the Plex application to use with the Plex server, but we still can use it with the Plex server, but from another option. No application required. It comes an option that will find your Plex server, so only the thumbnails for the movies will not be shown. Okay, so as you can see, you can cast any video from your mobile phone to your TV. Also, you can control your TV using a mobile or a tablet. And you can also screen mirror your mobile phone to your TV. So I will not do that in this video, but probably in the future I will do a tutorial for that. But I tested with my Redmi Note 5 and it worked flawlessly. So this is how the LEDs work during the Ambilight. So you can turn these on or off, so if you don't like it, you can turn it off. You can also install SSIPDV on this television. There is a tutorial already on the channel, so you can add IPTV lists to your television. Okay, so these are the options you have: Miracast, network, USB, HDMI, 3 HDMI. And so I'm connecting an external hard drive, and it can read your movies and TV shows directly from a pen drive or a hard drive. Also, if you attach a USB pen drive or an external hard drive to your router, it can be found by the network, okay, and it works also really well. you can see, working really good. This is 1080p, not 4K. The quality of the image is really something. So probably recorded with a phone it's not so good, but it's really nice. Okay, so a quick overview on the menu. You can change the picture style, the picture format, the sound style, the audio output, the Ambilight, as I told you. So don't forget, if you like this video, if you some way helped you to decide to purchase a Philips 4K Ambilight, to give it a thumbs up, subscribe the channel for more videos, and leave a comment below. In the final of the video I will leave you with a sample of the Ambilight working in full potential. So here what I told you, that the Ambilight can be selected for different styles or disconnected. So that's about everything related to the menu of the TV. Let's now enjoy the Ambilight working on this 55 Philips 4K. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe the channel, and see you on the next video. Bye.